I always panic whenever I see a little extra hair on my pillow, in my brush, or in the shower. So I found a few amazing treatments I can do at home to reduce hair fall and stop me from stressing about it. Before we get to that, this video is sponsored by Good Vibes and we have partnered with them for a glamorous exclusive offer, but more on that later, so keep watching. The best way to beat hair fall is to pamper yourself with this incredible hair pack. Get your hands on 3 tablespoons of flaxseed powder, a star ingredient loaded with antioxidants that strengthen hair follicles. Add in 2 tablespoons of cold pressed coconut oil. Using the purest form of an oil is always best for maximum results. Apply this all over your hair, leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, and then rinse for super nourished hair. The hair cleanser you use can either make or break your hair. For me, the Good Vibes Onion Hair Fall Control Shampoo is an absolute winner. As the name suggests, it is enriched with the best hair-loving ingredient, onion, that effectively restricts hair fall and makes it grow thicker. It also has keratin that adds a beautiful shine, while ingredients like corn, wheat, and soy strengthen and moisturize your hair follicles. Basically, it's magic in a bottle. Double shampooing will give you even better results. Just apply it along the lengths and rinse for healthier hair. Before we get to the other remedies, if you love hair and beauty like me, check this out. Good Vibes is an exciting new beauty brand that uses exotic ingredients that are super potent, just like this onion shampoo that also has no nasties like parabens. We have partnered with them for a series of videos that will help you with all things beauty. And we have a great offer for you as well. Hair rinses are really effective because they lock in moisture and nutrients at the same time, like in this one. Mix together 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with some water and store it in a spray bottle. Spray it on while your hair is still damp after your usual hair wash routine and feel your hair dry silky smooth. Tugging your hair is usually what makes it break, and simple things like sleeping on a wrong pillow and rough combing can cause that. Switching to silk pillowcases will help reduce tangles while also making you feel like a princess. Similarly, using a wide steel comb will help it glide through your hair smoothly, cutting down on those broken strands for less damage and more shine. We really do hope that these tips help give you your dream hair. Thanks for watching the video, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.